Check out the new OBS that we just picked up. 1996 GMC Sierra SLE model. Chulada de troca. It's got the badass cow hood. Now, we got it without wheels. We had some 454 reps that we got from one of our other giveaway trucks. So that's what we put on there right now. We're actually on the way right now to Nexus. We already got some wheels chosen out that we think we like, but we're gonna go see what else they have there in stock. But some 18x11s. We got the tires también from the TKO G14?
Toyo R888Rs.
Yeah, those are gonna fit nicely on this one.
305s, ¿verdad?
No, 315s. 315s, yeah. So we're gonna put the 18x11s. Billet Specialties is what we're thinking that we're gonna go with. But once we get there, we'll check them out in person. They sent me all the pictures yesterday, and I like the Billet Specialties that I showed you.
Yeah.
I don't know the name of them.
They're clean.
They were clean, but they do have some other ones there that, in person, they might look a little bit better. But we're gonna choose them once we get over there. On the Toyos, 315s, 35, 18s, I think. I guess we'll double check right now.
Yeah, they're 35s.
35s, but man, it's gonna give it a nice look. But man, what I fell in love with this truck was the two-tone color, and videos and pictures didn't do it justice. When we went to go look at it in person, damn.
The whole thing is clean.
It was clean.
Show them the engine bay.
Oh yeah, we're showing the engine bay. We're showing them everything right now because this truck is super clean. We'll start off with the interior. Now, it's a 1996, guys, so this one has a round dash, and it looks nice. It looks nice. Different than the 91 that we gave away not too long ago. Square dash to this one, but the interior,
it's perfect.
It's taken care of, man. It's taken care of.
Yeah. It's got a little cow hood también.
Yeah, the cow hood también, it gives it a nice little look. A little sporty. Mira.
Mira.
Ni ganas de sacarla, bro.
It's mint.
It is really nice. It's got the 5.7 liter. It sounds good. I don't know what kind of exhaust it has, but it sounds really good. They took care of this one. Se mira limpia, güey. Limpiecita. 108,000 miles, too.
108?
108 for 1996. A 30-year-old truck. Damn, 30 years. We're to 2026.
It looks better than most trucks nowadays.
Yeah. I like these, man. Wait, was it these? I like these. Pero I also like these. For a sporty look, esto, ¿no?
Sí, that'll give it a sporty look.
Right?
Yeah.
¿Esto con madre, ¿verdad?
Eso también está con madre.
Ahí anda el jefe, mira. Ahí anda, nomás acostado. Ahí anda el jefe.
¿Este pedo que es un bombón o qué?
Alright, guys. Aquí estamos con Raúl from Nexus. We came to pick up some wheels for the 96 OBS. Acaba de levantar una troca.
¿Ya está? ¿Sí?
Yeah. Ahí está ahorita que two-tone.
A la madre.
Nomás que didn't come with wheels. So I put on my stocks.
¿Qué drop tiene?
Tenía un 3.5.
3.5?
3.5 drop. I think those are the ones I want to get.
The third ones at the top?
Estos de aquí.
Oh, yeah. They're gonna look nice for sure.
We're still figuring out si estos o estos. John también dice que aquellos.
¿Cuál? Colorado Customs?
The Colorado Customs.
That one or the intros?
Or the intros. Pero the truck has like a sport look because it has a cow hood.
Yeah.
So I feel like it needs to be something more sporty like these. Maybe even these work too. Alright guys, we're back at Nexus. We got the 18x11s. ¿Cómo se llaman estos?
18x11s.
Malibus.
Billet Specialties Malibus on our Toyo R888Rs. 315, 30, 18s.
Esos tienen step lip, güey. Tienen step lip. Los otros eran soft lip. Yo pienso que el step lip se ve muy chingón.
La otra vez está más chingona.
Más chingona. Ve la de ladito, güey. No mames, se ve bien chida.
Mira de ladito, güey.
De ladito, papi. De ladito.
No, tan chingones, sí quedaron bien. Maneja con madre, güey. It's really comfortable.
Nah, I think you're good with an extra inch.
Extra inch?
Yeah, can you? Look at that. You looked at me like.
What?
You looked at me like.
You recording? Are you recording?
No.
Hey, este güey, with the meta glasses, he's just like, meta, start recording. No se sabe ni cuándo está grabando ni cuándo no. There it is, guys, the finished product on new OBS, the new OBS to the collection, the 1996 two-tone. Now, we bought this thing with no wheels because we already had the plans of throwing some badass 18x11s. So shout out to Nexus Trucks for hooking us up with those. And we also had the Toyo or 888Rs already here at the shop from a previous project. So we slapped those on too, and this thing came out freaking fresh. Now, we actually have already taken it to some shows. We took it at ATI. We also took it to another benefit show here locally. And a lot of you guys liked it, like how it looks and everything. So big thumbs up for this truck. It looks good. Interior looks fresh. Engine bay looks fresh. And for the year, man, you cannot ask for a better OBS. Está lista la troquita. We're happy with the way it looks right now. I don't think it really needs anything else besides una little lavadita mamalona. ¿Qué más se le puede hacer?
I don't know, man. It looks pretty good to me.
Maybe
a little lower in the back, maybe.
Actually, it does have a spare tire that I was thinking about taking off. I don't know. I just don't like the look of the spare tire in the back of these trucks.
So if you take it off, it's gonna go up, right?
It is, so you gotta drop it down a little bit. So it's sitting on a 3.5 drop. It's a spring and spindle on the front, and it's the leaf springs in the back. Bro, you drove it.
It rides good.
It rides really good. It rides really good. Now, if it wasn't dropped, I would for sure go with another IEC drop because we've done one before on TKOG 14, and it also drives really smooth. But I don't know. I don't know if we should do that on this one.
The only thing that I would say, let's do the front, is to tuck the wheels in.
It's to tuck them in a little bit. That is a big plus and a big perk on the IEC drop kit, is that you're doing upper and lower control arms, so it rides smooth, but it also tucks in the suspension. If I remember correctly, what is it, 3/4 of an inch?
3/4 of an inch
on both sides. So you can tell front and back. Maybe it's not like 3/4 of an inch, but it's gonna be very close to sitting flush, right? So I don't know. We might be doing a drop kit, or not a drop kit, but
control arms.
Control arms. I don't know. Doesn't look too bad, but it would look better if it was sitting flush. It would look a lot better. ¿Para qué está la llanta, güey? Look how the tire looks in the back. Oh no, is it just me?
No, yeah, it looks ugly.
Right?
Yeah.
Chat, what y'all think? Like, does it look like it doesn't belong there? Maybe if it was the same tire that it has, like obviously not 18x11, but like another Toyo, yeah, like a Toyo R 888R, maybe it'll look a little bit nicer. O una moroleada a lo mejor. I don't know, because it does help with the weight a little bit, you know, to kind of keep it nice and low. We'll play with it. We'll probably take it off, see how it looks. Pero mira, it's smooth. I'm actually surprised how smooth it was. Another OBS to the collection. Now we gotta start working on the white one too. We haven't showed the white one in a while, bro.
It's because it doesn't look good right now. That's why.
We need some wheels on the white one, the 94. If we got a little B-roll. Actually, we do have B-roll, the 94 with 18x11s, but those 18x11s were from TKOG 14. So that truck looks and cleans up pretty good. It's got an LS swap, it's got a full interior, it's got a full air brakes, front and back, and it's got a QA1 suspension all the way around. So that truck, si le tira un tiro esta, güey.
For sure. This one's clean and simple.
Clean.
That one's a little bit more over the top.
Yeah. The other one's gonna be a fun truck once we get working on it. You guys participated in TKOG 16, the Lightning giveaway. We're actually going to, what is it, Colbert,
Georgia.
Colbert, Georgia. About 12 to 13 hour drive for us to go deliver that truck to the winner, Kenneth. He won the truck, and we're gonna be taking it over to him. So I know we said that we weren't gonna be delivering trucks anymore. We're gonna have people come over here, but I really want to finish the shop so we can have people come out here. I don't know, we haven't had a shop update video in a while, huh?
Show them a little bit.
A little bit. But we're working on a video, which is, progress has been slow. So let's show the interior real quick. Much has changed, but we have started running some electrical. Actually, no electrical yet. We just started planning the boxes where they're gonna go, and we started running the, what is this? Cat 6 Ethernet cables. We want to future-proof this thing. So we've been running all the Cat 6 Ethernet all the way around for all the ports that we think that we're gonna need internet in, and also for the cameras. We got one for the camera up there. I think we got a camera up there, a camera over there. We got a bunch of cameras. We gotta make sure we keep an eye on everything. Pero yeah, so we've been working on that. They already started working on the AC as well. But we're gonna be doing the electrical ourselves, right, Fonseca?
Say a little prayer for us at night. But
Yeah,
either
wait.
Juan or Edgar's getting electrocuted.
We're gonna be like this, bro. We're gonna be like, is it live? Nope. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. But we're gonna be tackling the electrical ourselves because we don't think it's that bad. We just gotta make sure we follow code. And we already been reading the word.
We don't think it's that.
We don't think, but hey, we've been reading that book, bro. We've been reading that book, so we know what the code is and what the code's not. So we're gonna be running the electrical here, and hopefully pretty soon we'll be moving in here already. And then that's when we can start bringing winners over here because we already have a nice area for to be able to welcome them in, do all the paperwork, do all that good stuff, and then just be like, good luck on the drive back. So on this one, we're gonna be dropping it off. Cobra Georgia are going to be out there. If you guys in Georgia see us, make sure you tag us. If you guys do not follow us already, hit that subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, el TikTok también, todo el rollo, because we're going to be posting more content, especially when we move in here. So shout out to you guys. Let me know what you guys think on the new OBS, the two-tone, the blue and the silver. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.